In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Google Forms through email and link sharing. Google Forms is a versatile tool for collecting information, whether you're organizing an event or conducting a survey. The ability to share your form efficiently is crucial to reaching your audience and gathering the necessary responses. So, let's take a closer look at how you can easily share your Google Form. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Forms. Make sure you're logged into the Google account where your form is saved. If you're not already there, just type Google Forms into your search bar and click on the corresponding link that appears in the search results. Once you're on the Google Forms homepage, locate the form you want to share from your list of saved forms. Click to open it. Now that you have the form in front of you, look towards the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll notice a purple Send button, which is your gateway to sharing the form. When you click on the Send button, a new dialog box pops up with multiple sharing options. The first tab you'll see allows you to send your form directly via email. If this is how you prefer to share your form, simply type the email addresses of your recipients in the designated field. You can add multiple addresses if needed, separated by commas. If you want to personalize the message, there's an option to include a subject line and a brief message for your recipients. This is super helpful for ensuring that they know what the form is about and encouraging them to fill it out. Next, let's explore the link sharing option. Still within that same dialog box, you'll see a tab with a chain link icon. Clicking this tab will generate a shareable link for your Google form. You can copy this link by clicking the Copy button provided. It's incredibly handy if you need to share your form across various platforms, like social media or instant messaging apps. For added convenience, you can even shorten the URL by selecting the option right below the link. This makes it much neater and more approachable when shared in places with limited text. Finally, a few tips to maximize the effectiveness of your form. Always double-check your form settings to ensure that anyone can respond. You'll find this option under the Settings tab of your form. It's also a good idea to preview the form before sending it out. You can do this by clicking on the eye icon, allowing you to view the form exactly as your respondents will see it. That's all there is to it. With these simple steps, you can seamlessly share your Google Forms and start collecting responses in no time. Thanks for watching and happy form sharing.